$1,000 a month. That's the number most people think about when they imagine financial breathing room. Not getting rich, just enough to cover the car payment, the groceries, the subscription bills. An extra $1,000 a month changes the texture of your life. And in 2026, it is genuinely achievable using AI tools, many of which are completely free. But I want to be straight with you. This video is not going to tell you it's easy. It's not going to promise you passive income in 24 hours. What it is going to give you is a realistic, honest breakdown of exactly what it takes to hit $1,000 a month using AI. The methods that work, the timelines that are accurate, and the mistakes that will slow you down. Let's start with a framework, because most people approach this wrong. When people hear make money with AI, they imagine the AI doing everything and the money flowing in automatically. That's not how it works, and at least not at first. The accurate mental model is this. AI is a force multiplier. It takes the work you were already capable of doing and lets you do it faster, better, and at greater scale. A writer who could produce 2 articles a day can now produce 10. A designer who could make 3 graphics a day can now make 20. A researcher who could analyze 1 company per hour can now analyze 5. The income doesn't come from the AI. It comes from what you produce with the AI. The AI just removes the bottleneck. Method 1. AI freelance content services. Target income, $300 to $500 a month from 2 to 3 clients. This is the fastest path to your first AI income. You offer content writing services, blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, ad copy to small businesses. You use Claude or ChatGPT to produce the content at high speed. You deliver it, get paid, repeat. 2 clients at $250 a month each gets you $500. 3 clients gets you $750. You can realistically land your first client within 2 weeks of starting outreach. The key to making this work is picking one niche and one content format. Don't offer everything to everyone. Offer weekly email newsletters to real estate agents or monthly blog posts to local law firms. Specific, repeatable, easy to price and easy to sell. Time to first dollar, 1 to 2 weeks. Time to $500 a month, 4 to 6 weeks with consistent effort. Method 2, selling AI digital products. Target income, $200 to $400 a month. This one takes longer to build but pays you while you sleep. You create digital products, ebooks, prompt packs, templates, planners, guides, using AI, and list them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Every sale is passive. The products that sell best right now are AI prompt collections, curated sets of prompts for specific use cases like growing a business, managing personal finances, or improving productivity. A well-designed prompt pack sells for $10 to $25 and can sell dozens of times per month with 0 additional effort after the initial listing. The math is simple. 10 sales per day at $15 each is $150 a day, $4,500 a month. From one product, realistically, a new seller might see 3 to 5 sales a day to start, which is still $45 to $75 a day, or roughly $1,500 to $2,000 a month at scale. Time to first dollar, 1 to 2 weeks to set up and list. Time to consistent $200 to $400 per month, 2 to 3 months of building your store. Method 3, AI-assisted affiliate marketing. Target income, $100 to $300 a month to start, scaling significantly over time. Affiliate marketing is recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. AI makes this viable for individuals because it lets you produce enough content to drive real traffic. Blog posts, YouTube videos, social media content, without a team. The affiliate programs in the AI and finance space are particularly generous. AI tool companies pay 20 to 30% recurring commissions. Finance platforms pay $50 to $200 per funded account. One piece of content that ranks on Google or YouTube can generate commissions for years. This is a slower build than freelancing. It takes time for content to rank and for traffic to grow. But the ceiling is significantly higher. Affiliate marketers who build content consistently for 6 to 12 months regularly hit $3,000 to $10,000 a month in recurring commissions. Time to first dollar, 2 to 4 weeks after publishing your first content pieces. Time to consistent 300 per month, 3 to 6 months. Now here's how you combine all three to hit $1,000 a month. Month 1, focus entirely on freelancing. Get 2 clients. That's $500 a month. While you're doing client work, start building 2 digital products on the side. Month 2, keep your 2 clients, list your digital products, start producing affiliate content, 1 YouTube video or blog post per week. You're now running 3 income streams simultaneously. Total income this month, $500 to $700. Month 3, add a 3rd freelance client. Your digital products start generating $20 to $50 a day. Your affiliate content starts getting traction. Total income this month, $800 to $1,200. You've crossed $1,000 a month in 90 days. Not by finding a magic shortcut, by stacking 3 real income streams that each contribute a piece of the total. The mistakes that will slow you down and how to avoid them. Mistake 1, trying to do everything at once. Pick one method, execute it for 30 days, then add the second. Trying to launch freelancing, a digital product store, and an affiliate blog simultaneously is how people end up doing all 3 poorly. Mistake 2, treating AI output as finished work. AI produces a first draft, not a final product. Every piece of content you deliver to a client or publish under your name needs to be reviewed, refined, and made to sound like a human wrote it. Clients who receive raw AI output figure it out quickly and don't come back. Mistake 3, underpricing. New freelancers consistently charge too little because they're nervous about rejection. $250 a month for a social media package is not expensive. It's a rounding error in a small business's marketing budget. Charge what the work is worth. Mistake 4, quitting before the compounding kicks in. Every one of these methods gets easier and more profitable over time. Freelancing gets easier as you build systems and referrals. Digital products get more profitable as your store gains reviews and visibility. Affiliate income compounds as your content library grows. The people who quit at month 2 never see month 6, which is when things get genuinely exciting. $1,000 a month with AI is not a fantasy. It's a 90-day project for someone willing to put in consistent, focused effort. The tools are free, the methods are proven. The only variable is whether you actually start and whether you keep going long enough to see the results. If this gave you a clearer path to your first $1,000, subscribe to Intelliwealth. Every video is built to give you one more piece of the puzzle. Next video, I'm covering the AI tools that actually pay you directly. Not just tools that save you time, but tools with built-in monetization that puts money in your account. That one is going to open some eyes. Drop a comment below. Which of these 3 methods are you starting with? I read every single one. See you in the next one.